Hello everyone out there. My name is Ofune and I want to personally welcome you back to the Swatches YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a very popular topic in the makeup world, the industry, is nude lipsticks. Now I've been talking about nude lipsticks since I started Swatches because I feel like the definition of nude has gone through a transformation in the past few years, and rightfully so. It should go without saying, but I'm just going to tell you all how I view the word nude. I think that nude is something that is complementary or close to your complexion. Case in point, when you're in the nude, you have no clothes on, you are brown, beige, whatever color you are. So I feel like anything that's marketed or is described as a nude should reflect that. And so because we are all of different shades and colors in this world, there should just be multiple nudes. That's just how it should be. So today we're going to talk about nude lipsticks that do not need liner, because the next part of this is that lots of times nude lipsticks that are described as nudes are not nudes for darker complexions. For example, I'm looking right now at a website, at NYX's website. One of the colors that I will be showing you guys today is described as a medium cool brown. And if you scroll up to another kind of more peachy color, that color is described as a matte pure nude, whatever that means. And I'm not just trying to pick on NYX. All the brands do this. I don't know a brand that doesn't do this. And so it's just, I think that they're just, even though I talk about it a lot, so I'm talking about it again today because I just feel like I can't talk about it enough. I think that the word nude should reflect actual skin color. And yeah, let me not just ramble on. Let's just get into lipsticks. So this video is for the person that is looking for a nude lipstick they can throw in their bag, they can reapply it, throughout the day and not worry about looking crazy or what it looks like, because it's just gonna, complement their complexion and it's just going to be one and done. Or the person that really likes to play up the eyes and doesn't really necessarily want the lips to be too bold. So yeah, these are nude lipsticks for darker complexions that you can just boop, 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 done. So if you're interested in that, you want to hear me talk more about how to find these lipsticks out there in the wild, in the jungle, please stay tuned and keep on watching, because I'm about to get into some lip swatches. So first up, we have one of my favorite all-time nude glosses, Minx from Bare Minerals, and it is described as a cocoa brown. This is actually part of their Gen Nude I guess collection or campaign, so it is marketed as a nude, but the description is cocoa brown. So super pretty, one and done, just need one coat. The next color shade that we have is Ginger Snap from NYX, and it's described as a chocolate brown. This is a touch darker than Minx, but it is a little bit, I guess, less thicker. It's not gonna last you all day, basically. The next one we have here is Medium Brown 1993. I think you guys are seeing a pattern here. This is from Urban Decay. It's a matte lipstick. I just kind of dot it on my lips and kind of blend it in, as opposed to like adding a heavy layer, so it kind of just complements my natural lips. Next we have here matte. This is the first Hawkwind. This is the first lipstick we have that's actually called a nude, and this is from Kat Von D. I guess technically the second, because Minx is, but so the second. Kat Von D Hawkwind Matte Nude Sienna, kind of more rosy in tone. Next we have Dubai Medium Cool Brown. You guys are noticing most of the nudes for darker complexions are described as browns and not nudes, so that's just what that is. But Dubai is probably one of my favorite no liner needed nudes, because I don't know, I think I like cool tones and just really complements my complexion really nicely. Next we have Top with Brandy from MAC, and this is called a deep dirty rose. I mean, I guess it's like dusty dirty rose. It's like a pinky, more of a pinky nude, suited for deeper complexions, kind of like the deep version of Whirl in liquid lipstick form. Next we have Naughty Brown. It doesn't have a description in terms of a product description of the shade, but it's basically like this kind of light, kind of cool tone brown from Black Radiance. It's a liquid lipstick. It's a little bit ashy, but it kind of makes it like, I don't know, like gives us this unique quality. Next, we have Beauty Mark. This is from NYX as well, and this is described as a chocolate brown. I wouldn't say it's as deep as, oh, it's like a milk chocolate. I think it's pretty cute. It's from their Lip Lingerie collection. Yeah, feeling myself a little bit with that one. Next, we have Cloudscape. This is from ColourPop. It's one of their ultra matte lips, and this is called a muted chocolate. A chocolate, another color you probably want to look for. The word chocolate, if you're looking for product descriptions. This dries down to kind of, like it says, a muted kind of brown color. It complements my complexion pretty nicely. And last but not least, we have Chocolate Wasted from Dose of Colors, which is plainly described as dark brown. And that's what it is. It's a dark brown shade, and I am dark brown, so therefore I would describe this as a nude for me. It's a little bit, I guess, actually it's like my lip tone but warmer. So you guys just saw some no liner needed nude lipsticks that you guys can use for every day, or like I said, if you have a really bold eye look and you want a very neutral lip, these are great options if you have deeper skin. A couple of points I wanted to make before the end of this video. I definitely do realize that there are different ways to do nude lipsticks. It's not an issue if you choose to, use a lighter lipstick and use liner to line that lipstick. I mean, everyone does it. I do that. I think naturally our lips have dimension. If you look at my own lips, they have, I'll put a little video, there's brown here and pink in the middle, so that's normal for your lips to have like two different tones working, blending, loving each other, looking bomb. So I just want to put that out there. I know people will come in here and say, those aren't nudes. It's like, I get that you can do nude lipsticks a different way, but I wanted to show this way as well, because for people with lighter complexions, there are options that they don't have to use lip liner. They could just, have a tube that is literally they just put on and that's their lipstick. So that's what the intention of this video is. And secondly, I just like to point out, I think that, like I said, things are changing and growing, and the definition of nude is expanding, but I don't particularly care for this idea that these are alternate nudes. Like, this is just my nude. It's my skin tone. It's my nude. I'm not an alternate. I'm not an other. It's just what it is. So hopefully in the future, when people are creating nude lipsticks, it's like they could have nude 1, nude 2, nude, as opposed to creating lipsticks that are supposed to be a play on nudes meant to serve other complexions, because like I said, nude is not one size fits all, and we should treat it as such. I've said this a million times. Did a whole campaign on it. I'll put the link down there below. And it's really gorgeous, by the way. I'm very proud of it, but I just had to plug that in there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love talking about nude lipsticks, one of my favorite subjects. I really appreciate y'all, so I just want to thank you guys for taking time out to watch this video today, and I will see you in the next one.